Hi there. If you're getting ready to move, here's a friendly chat about one of the biggest questions you'll face. Should you hire professional movers or ask your friends to help?
Let's break it down simply. Calling in friends is definitely easier on your wallet. You'll save money, and you might even enjoy the extra help from people you trust. They can lend a hand after work or help you with little things like watching the kids or packing up boxes. But there are some downsides. Friends might not stick to a set schedule. Delays and distractions can slow you down. Without moving experience, they could accidentally damage your furniture or hurt themselves lifting heavy stuff. And if something breaks, there's usually no insurance to cover it. Professional movers, on the other hand, bring experience, tools, and training. They know how to handle bulky or fragile items safely and efficiently. Most moving companies are insured, so if anything gets damaged, you're covered. They also stick to schedules, work quickly, and handle the entire process from start to finish. No pizza bribes needed. Of course, you don't have to choose one or the other. A smart option is to mix both. Hire professionals for the heavy lifting and let your friends help with packing or organizing. Just plan ahead so everyone knows their role and keep plenty of snacks and water handy. So, what's the best choice? If your move involves big furniture or a lot of stuff, professionals are worth it. If it's small and simple, your friends might be enough. Or go hybrid and enjoy the best of both worlds. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com or email us at contactus@movers.com to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.